This is the new look of Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this is against Galaxy S23 Ultra. And after getting this hands-on look of Galaxy S24 Ultra, you'll be surprised to see the closer look of Galaxy S24 Ultra. After getting this new look, there is one thing common in all these recent looks: the bezel size on Galaxy S24 Ultra. And this is the difference against the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Galaxy S24 Ultra bottom bezel is 40% less than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Not only this, the bezels on S24 Ultra are extremely small. As per Universe, it is 1.5mm. Also, the selfie shooter on S24 Ultra is smaller and moved down a little. Even more important, Galaxy S24 Ultra will going to feature symmetrical bezels, means all four sides will going to come with the same width. This all happens with the new flat display on S24 Ultra. But there are two consequences of getting a flat display. First, Galaxy S24 Ultra will going to come with the bigger outer bezels compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and S24 Ultra will be wider than the S23 Ultra. Also, by getting a flat display, S24 Ultra will look thicker than the S23 Ultra. This is the first hands-on look of Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this clears things up about the sides. The sides are not flat, the sides are curved. And even more important, the corners are also slightly curved to give it a more premium feel in hand. There is an interesting part. Can you guys guess this color? Well, as per Universe, this is a titanium gold. Nowhere near a golden color, yet a unique titanium color. Except this color option, Samsung is going to launch 7 new color options for the S24 Ultra: yellow, violet, gray, and black, and 3 more online color options: green, blue, and orange. Well, Universe did mention golden color, but we might see a titanium color instead of gold with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While getting a titanium on the sides of S24 Ultra, the weight of the phone is 233 grams. Interestingly, it is 1 gram lighter than the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is at 234 grams. Although Samsung put a flat display on S24 Ultra, but it will be different from S24 or S24 Plus. A small curve on the edges, and there is a new display technology coming to the Galaxy S24 series, M13, where we are going to see a 2500 nits of peak brightness compared to 1750 nits on S23 Ultra. The cameras where Galaxy S24 Ultra see a big features and a big setback, but before moving on to that, a subscribe to the channel will be amazing. Recently, Universe shared Galaxy S24 Ultra telephoto sensor is having trouble. The software version is almost final, yet the 10x photos are all noise. Please be mentally prepared. Bad news for the ones who loved zoomed in shots. But he further added, 5x is good, but 10x is disastrous, and it is difficult to solve, since it is not clear if it is a software problem or a hardware problem. This brings me to another source who claims a couple of days ago it is now confirmed S23 Ultra is better than the S24 Ultra. He mentioned both telephoto sensors. This makes me curious. If S24 Ultra is struggling with the 10x zoomed in shots, then what will happen with the 100x zoom? We could hope Samsung will fix this issue, but still, S23 Ultra will take better zoomed in shots over 10x zoom, and even better 100x zoomed in shots than the S24 Ultra. This also happens when we get this news, where Samsung dropped one telephoto sensor over other. According to the source, before Samsung was about to use IMX875 sensor, but later they changed it to IMX854 sensor. This also makes a big impact on the telephoto sensor performance. The other cameras will be an updated 200 megapixel ISOCELL HP2SX sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto sensor. Don't get disheartened, because Samsung is going to give us some amazing camera features on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, as Samsung officially launched a new feature called Zoom Any Place, where now you can record 2 length videos at the same time. This will work in 2 modes, 2x and 4x, and it will further stabilize your footage. Now with this, you're not gonna see a quality drop, as it will record in 4K resolution. Well, these are the video features, but Samsung also added a feature called E2E Remasic AI feature, which will going to reduce the time to take a picture. Do you guys remember S23 Ultra when it was launched? It takes at least 1 or 2 seconds to take a full resolution 200 megapixel shot, but according to Samsung, this feature will going to reduce the time by half, so you can take a picture of fast moving objects with the 200 megapixel resolution. Along with this, we are going to see another amazing option where now you can switch between different lenses while recording at 4K 60 frames per second thanks to 50 megapixel 5x telephoto sensor. With these new camera features, Samsung is going to give us an amazing AI features including Samsung's own AI model exclusive for Galaxy S24 Ultra named Samsung Gauze aka Galaxy AI. And it brings a lot of new AI features for daily life usage. First, it will going to give us a feature to draft our emails with little to no effort by using AI. Also, now you can summarize your documents just with a single click. With the new image model, you can create a new image just with a single prompt, more like a mid-journey but on device, and you don't need internet connection to do so. Samsung also add code model to help software developers to write code quickly and easily. With the new Galaxy AI, Samsung gave us a feature called AI Live Translate Call in real time, both in text and audio integrated in native phone dialer. According to the source, initially it will going to support 10 different languages. Not only this, do you guys remember Google gave us a feature called Night Sight Video in the Pixel 8 Pro? Well, the same feature is coming to the Galaxy S24 Ultra by the name Night Vision. And there's a difference between these two features. Google uses cloud services to give us this feature, but Galaxy S24 Ultra will going to process this on device all thanks to Qualcomm AI engine. Google also gave us a feature called Magic Eraser to remove unwanted objects from a picture, but Qualcomm is one step ahead and gave us a feature called Removing Objects in a Video. Samsung is working heavily on generative AI and Qualcomm is at its best, where now we are going to see a feature called Photo Expansion to extend your original image by using AI. There is one cool feature coming exclusive for the Galaxy S24 Ultra and people are waiting for this for too long. Google launched a feature called Ultra HDR with Android 14, and according to H Universe, S24 Ultra will going to support HDR images in photo album similar to Ultra HDR. For those who don't know what is Ultra HDR, well, now if you take a picture in HDR, you can also view the picture in HDR in photos. Before it was only SDR, and after getting this feature, we are going to see the same brightness, same contrast, same colors while seeing a picture. Here are the efficiency numbers of Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to the source, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is 13% faster than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but the power consumption is gone up to 28%, making the efficiency down to 11%. This is a little bit alarming situation for the battery life of Galaxy S24 Ultra. Another source also claims this makes me concerned about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 FG version, which is made for Galaxy, because the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 made for Galaxy will going to feature an overclocked version with the 3.4 GHz Cortex X4 instead of 3.3 GHz, even more powerful, but the middle cores are underclocked, helping S24 Ultra to bring efficiency numbers in a low performance situation. The GPU on S24 Ultra also makes a big difference, getting a better performance compared to Apple M1 and bringing more efficiency numbers. Not only this, we also have the Geekbench scores of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, where we get 2148 single core score and 6618 multi-core scores, a big difference. As per Qualcomm claims, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is 30% faster than the previous generation and about 20% more power efficient, where the GPU is 25% faster and 25% more efficient than the previous generation. The storage options on S24 Ultra are just amazing, where the base model will going to get a 256 gigs of storage with the 12 gigs of RAM and a whopping 2TB of storage with the 16 gigs of RAM. First time ever to get a 2TB of storage on a mobile phone. While looking at the efficiency numbers, I have another big news about the charging speed and the battery life of Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to the source, Atom, Samsung supplier for charging ports, were going to support 65 watt and 140 watt later this year, which indicates we may see 65 watt on S24 Ultra. But as per confirmed news, S24 Ultra will going to feature a 45 watt of fast charger, not 65 watt, and the battery size of Galaxy S24 Ultra will be 5000 mAh, a 4900 on S24 Plus, and a 4000 mAh on S24. People were waiting for this feature on Galaxy S24 Ultra for months, and finally Samsung is going to put in the S24 Ultra. According to Samsung LSI division, the company will going to support satellite connectivity next year, which means we can hope to get this feature on S24 Ultra. This will be two-way satellite connectivity and much better than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, where you can send and receive messages, and you can also share your location while there is no satellite connection available. At least for now, it is not clear if this is exclusive to S24 Ultra, or we may see in Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus. And also, Apple gave this feature for free only for 2 years and in limited countries. We can hope to get it for free on S24 Ultra and in more countries. You guys might be thinking about, while adding a lot of new features, the price might increase on S24 Ultra. No, Samsung will not change the price. It will be same $1199 as S23 Ultra, which is already too expensive. And they compromise on two things while keeping the same price: flat display instead of curved display, and not adding the 10x telephoto sensor. According to inside information, the launch date is confirmed. S24 Ultra will going to launch on 17th of Jan, and the pre-orders will start after the event. And you'll get your pre-orders between Jan 26th to 30th Jan. And Samsung will going to release S24 Ultra in market on 30th Jan. If you guys want to see the detailed first look of Galaxy S24 Ultra, then you should watch this video, and I hope you guys are subscribed. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.